Hi student, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 2, continuation of exercise 2.6. Now problem number 2. Look at that. How many consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480? So look at the question here. Odd integers beginning with 5 by data. First number is 5, next number 7, next number 9. It is going on. So because consecutive odd integers, starting one is 5, 5, 7, 9 and all odd integers. So how many terms are needed to get the sum? 480. Given Sn that is equal to 480. Total value is given. Okay, we have to find out the value of n. We know the formula for Sn, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 480. Now we have to find a and d. I write a and d here. Here a is the first term, that is 5. D is the common difference. You know that t2 minus t1, that is equal to 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. Now I am going to substitute. N we don't know, write as it is by 2 into a value is 5 plus n minus 1 as it is, because we don't know the value of n, into d that is equal to 2, close the bracket, that is equal to 480. Here we have 2, here also we have 2, correct? Take 2 as common. If we take 2 as common, the 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So that write n by 2 as it is, into, I am taking this 2 as common, into, since I have taken 2 as common, which one is left out? 5 and n minus 1 only, because already I have taken 2 minus 1 as common, that is equal to 480. Now 2 get cancelled. Now n into n 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4, that is equal to 480. Now multiply n into n and n into 4. N into n is n square plus n into 4 is 4n plus 480 comes left hand side minus 480, that is equal to 0. Now we can factorize, because it is a quadratic equation. The coefficient of n squared is 1. 1 into minus 480 is minus 480, and that coefficient of n is 4. So we have to say the two numbers, product of the numbers equals minus 480, sum of the same numbers equals 4. How to find the numbers? Take 480, divide only by the prime number, you can easily find out. I take 2. If you divide by 2, you will be getting 240. Again I take 2, you will be getting 120. Again divide by 2, you will be getting 60. Divide by 2, 30. Divide by 2, 15. Here you can divide by 3 only, you will be getting 5. Then divide by 5, 1. Okay. So in which combination you can get 4? You have to tell. The combination is, I tell the numbers, see, 5 into 2 into 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, into, look at that, 2 2s are, 4 2s are, 8 3s are 24. 24 and 20. I got the number here, 24 and 20. Okay. You have to introduce minus for the smaller one, then only can get 4. See that 24 minus 20, that is equal to 4. If you multiply the two numbers, you will be getting minus 480. Since it is a quadratic equation, you can write the values of n directly. How to get? Consider the coefficient of n square. What is here? 1. Change the sign, that is 1 becomes minus 1. Write minus 1 in the denominator. Now simplify. Plus divide by minus, minus 24 by 1 is 24. Next, n equals, here minus minus get cancelled, 20 by 1, that is equal to 20. What do you mean by n? N means number of terms. number of terms cannot be negative, so this is not possible. Therefore n equals 20. So how to write the result? The question is how many consecutive odd integers to get the sum 480. So 15, 20 odd integers beginning with 5 to get the sum 480. That is the answer. Therefore 20 odd integers are needed beginning with 2 get the sum 480. Again I tell you, 20 odd integers are needed beginning with 5 to get the sum 480. That's all. So problem number 2 is completed. Then I'll be teaching problem number 3 in the next video. Thank you, children.